What's going on, you guys? It's a nice little hot day today. Go ahead and take you guys with me. We're gonna go to the junkyard, so follow me. Let's go ahead, hop into the spaceship. It's like extremely hot outside. I mean, more like humid, really. I could withstand the heat, but the humidity, kicking my ass. But this is how far back I was walking. This is where I'm headed to. It's a lot of shit. All right, here we are in the junkyard, and this is the beauty that I was looking for. So removing the side skirt should be easy to do. Everything's clamp based, so it should have like a popping off motion, like right here. So what I'm using is a flathead, so I don't damage anything during the process. See, like right here. I don't want to mess up any paint, but I do want to get it off as effortless as possible. So there we go. As you can see, pretty fast. Those clamps I'm probably gonna still need to keep. And then after I do that, there's clamps at the bottom that I need to take care of. I am currently in my work pits, so we're gonna see how we're gonna get this done without me getting too dirty. And just like that, after getting the bottom clamps, we finally have the side skirt. Go clean it up, strip the paint off, and then paint match it. Really didn't have to do too much. It was a clean pull. In order to keep myself clean without getting dirty, I was under here. I use this. I'm gonna collect the clamps that I needed. See if the other clamps are still attached to it on the other side. Yeah, they're all there. So it should be a simple pop in. If not, zip ties would do the job. So, time to head up front. So normally before I leave, I always go to see what they got for sale, you know what I'm saying? See if some of this stuff look decent. I don't know if this Audi's for sale. Buying an Audi from a junkyard is a crazy thing to do, but I'm that type of crazy. This Lexus looked decent. I think it was here last time. Practically looks new, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm hoping nobody else is trying to get it. Lot looks kind of empty right now. Look like people been buying junkyard cars faster than anything. Alice, they try to sell this shit online for 100 to 300. I love junkyards. I love them. So even though it's a different color, it definitely fits. So that's good. So now I gotta just secure it on the bottom, and then hopefully we'll be able to get it painted throughout the weekend. But as of right now, it looks better than what it was looking.